Hey, welcome back to another Ozzstar's Today's Fun Project. Today we've got a 2011 Audi A4. A buddy of mine owns it, and he tells me that lately when he goes to start the car, it's slow to crank. So I want to test the battery, and it was a perfect opportunity. Topdon had sent me this Arty Battery 101. It not only tests the battery, but it also tests or checks the charging system and the crank test, I guess, for the starter. So we'll take it out of here and go out there to where the car is. It's cold start. It's probably about 45 degrees today. And like I said, it hasn't been used, so it should be a good test. And we'll check it out and see how it does. Yeah, so on the Audi, this is what you have to take out just to get to the battery, which is right down in there. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit and we'll check the voltage. I got the tester hooked up, just simple positive and negative. And right now the voltage seems low. It is low, not seems. I don't know if it's picking up. Turn my lens here. It's 12.3 volts. So we'd like to see about 12.6, 12.4, somewhere in there. So it's a little bit low right there. And let me go through the sequence now to actually test the battery. Simple enough. You just press the OK button. Comes up English. Yeah, that's what we want. Out of vehicle, we want in vehicle. And select charge before charging. We haven't charged it after charge. So this is before charge. It's regular flooded. You could have a AGM battery, which stands for absorbed glass mat, but we don't have that in this case. It's a whole different type of battery. So just regular flooded. Cold cranking amps, I'm going to have to check the specs on this. Alright, so to be accurate, I need to check to see what kind of amperage this battery has. Obviously, it is a 12 volt, but there's 4 bolts down here that hold this entire bracket on, that holds this little cover here, so I can't read anything on top. So I'm going to remove that right now, and we'll take it from there. Got the 4 bolts out. Pull this out of the way. Jeez, like 15 minutes getting to the battery here. All right, let me take this cover off now so I can read what's going on. It just pops off. Okay, so 640 AENSAE, 640 amps. Let's check that. Oops. All right, so this gives you the diagram here. So here's our diagram from the charger instructions. Basically, we usually use cold cranking amp, CCA, but the battery is in EN and SAE. So we'll go with the SAE, which is 640 amps, it's saying on the battery, which is right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So SAE stands for Society of Automotive Engineers Standard of America. So we're going to go with that one. So I like to hook the positive first after I untangle my wires. So let's hook up the positive. And here's your negative. So like I said earlier, we're at now it's 12.34 volts. So let me go through this again. English, in vehicle, before charge, regular flooded. We're at CCA, so let's go down to the SAE. There's EN. There you go, SAE. We'll bring this up to 640 amps. So I'm just using these up and down buttons right here. And, oop, there's 640, okay. Testing. We'll wait a second, and there's our results. So state of health is 79%, which means, it's all right, I guess. State of charge is only 56%. That's kind of low. 12.34, we knew that. It's got 580 amps. There's the internal resistance, I believe, is what that stands for. Yeah, so that's 5.46 ohms, mega ohms. And it's saying good recharge. So it's just telling us that it needs to be recharged, I guess. Okay. So what I'll do now is I'll go through the steps of testing the charging system. All right, for the crank test now, it says start engine. So I will go do that. All right, so it says testing. And saying cranking normal. Gives you the time here, 2,494 milliseconds, so almost 2.5 seconds. And it was 10.04 volts. So that gives us our voltage drop. And that looks good. So let me press OK. And then it asks if you want to do a charging test. And what I'll do is I'm going to let the engine warm up for about 10 minutes and then we'll do that. So the engine's been running for a little bit, it's warmed up. What I have to do now is, it says charging test with a question mark. I'm just going to hit the OK. I'm going to have to get in the car and bring up the RPMs to 2,500 or more for 5 seconds, it says. Since I can't see this and I'm by myself, I'll just manually count and then I'll come back here and hopefully it'll give us test results as far as you know, how it went. So let me do that now. It says load testing, loading testing, loaded testing. All right, that should have been 5 seconds. Let's see what we got here. So it's saying charging normal, loaded 13.88 volts, and non-loaded 4.1, ripple normal. So we're good to go. I'll take a picture of that, and that's it. This battery is gonna stay in its little home base for a while. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up. This Topdon battery charger, the RD Battery Tester 101, worked well. I like the way the tool's made. It feels good in hand. It actually has some pretty decent clamps. It's got these little teeth to bite into the terminals and a little rubber guard there. So I like the tool. It works on all types of batteries, marine battery, motorcycle battery. Comes with the this instruction manual, and it's pretty straightforward and clear. So if you have any questions, you know, it should be able to help you out. If you have any questions in the meantime here on YouTube, please leave me a comment, question, concern down below. I appreciate it. Thumbs up's good. Check me out on Instagram, Ozzstar1. I got to get back on the maintenance on this A4. Little regular maintenance, oil change, cabin filter, air filter. No biggie. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for coming along. Take it easy.